I've always said I'd be honest with you in regards to products and stuff like that. So take a look at this. You can see how these are starting. Oh, that one just flicked off right in front of you. You can see how they're chipping, rusting. So I reached out to AUXBEAM and said, you know, what do I do? Your lights are chipping. What do you want me to do? And they emailed me back and said, you know, we realize that we've got some issues with our lights and we have an upgraded light that issue should be fixed. So they sent us new lights. I'm a little worried because it looks like they're painted as well, but let's give them a try and find out. Give them the benefit of the doubt that these lights will be a lot better. So let's replace them. So now I gotta unwrap this. Gotta undo this wire. I have to redo all these clips. I'll just cut them in the middle though.
What?
Dirt.
Close your eyes.
Then I can redo these ends. I'll redo these ends. Okay, let's pop this light out.
Clean that again.
I'll need some electrical tape. Once this is done, blue goes to yellow. Okay, blue is my flasher. So I got all the connections done. Now I'll just tape them. Let's try it to make sure it works. Next one. Next one. Next. Yes, Cayden. Press the red button. So as you can see, I just replaced this one. Let's scroll over to this one here. This is one I haven't yet. And you can see how it's flaking. Let's see it right here. So we'll get this one replaced too. Okay, so now I need those, the blue connectors. So as you can see, we're in the front here and the paint's just peeling. The best way to do lights like this is using black aluminum. Because if it's painted, it's going to happen again. So I have a feeling it's going to happen again. I might be wrong. AUXBEAM might be able to prove me wrong on this, and I hope they do. But we're replacing them with new lights anyway. This is supposedly their updated generation of lights. So we'll check them out. So let's find out. Okay, I think we got this one undone. Yeah, okay, now I just got to snip these wires. Okay. These lights have been changed out. Take a look at nighttime. See them a lot better.